This is the Giantarm 3D printer filament, Silk Copper PLA. It has a smooth and shiny finish like real silk, and no extra polishing is needed. Printing at high detail results in a beautiful finish. The Giantarm high quality Silk PLA gives arts and crafts and 3D projects a smooth, shiny silk-like surface, which gives an eye-popping result. The Silk PLA filament has the advantage of incredible toughness, unique printing quality, low shrinkage, and superb layer bonding, meeting your personalized printing demands for functional parts. It's shipped completely dried for 24 hours before packaging and vacuum sealed in a nylon bag. And I printed this lizard on the Ender 3 Pro with the crtouch.